Let's begin our exciting course with understanding the AI agents. So what's an agent in general? An agent is a software system that can perform a task on behalf of a user. Let's see this in an example, which is a self-driving car. A self-driving car relies on multiple types of agents to be able to take a passenger from A to B without any accidents or problems. For example, it relies on a vision agent. A vision agent uses multiple types of sensors such as camera or a LiDAR system or infrared radars to capture the environmental information and pass it on to the central computing system of that car. The car also relies on GPS or map agent, which gives the path information to the destination and tells the central computing system that whether the car has to keep going straight or whether it has to turn right or left. And then there is a steering agent, which helps the car to turn left or right or keep the car on a straight line. Now, an AI agent is a type of agent that uses AI, generally a generative AI or a large language model, to pursue a goal or complete a task on behalf of a user. In general, an AI agent is a smart type of agent that uses AI to do the job. The generative AI and large language models or LLMs that are used in AI agents give the AI agents the power of reasoning, planning, learning, and autonomy. It just takes the agents to a next level. It's like your pet, which is a cat or dog, for example, suddenly goes from only caring about food and playing with their toys to arguing with you or challenging you about the meaning of life. Basically, that's how AI agents are different to normal agents. AI agents have persona, memory, tools, and AI models. A persona allows AI agents to maintain a consistent character and behavior. Normally, this persona is done with a prompt or a command that we give to the generative AI, and that is built into the AI agent. For example, if you build an AI agent for your company, which is for example, corporation, you want that agent to always return the responses in a professional manner. So you build a type of prompt into your agent and you say to the large language model that maintain a professional language and avoid any profanity or loose words, for example. AI agents also have a memory. A memory-enabled AI agents to have meaningful conversations. Without memory, every time you ask LLM a question or you give it a prompt, the response will have no relevance to the previous conversation. And if you want the response to your current prompt or question to be relevant to the prompt or questions that you had before, then you need to provide memory to your AI agents. Tools allow AI agents to access external information. External information in the context of AI agents is called a context. For example, as I said, Vision Agent may use a tool to access a LiDAR system or to access, for example, camera information to collect the environmental information and pass it on to the car's central computing system.